These AI car modification videos are getting millions of views right now, and almost nobody is creating them yet. One Instagram page gained over 102,000 followers just by posting videos like these. Some of their videos have already reached over 16 million views. Now watch what I created using the exact same method in less than 2 minutes. No editing, no expensive software, just ChatGPT, Google Labs, and CapCut. Let me show you exactly how I made it. The entire process only takes a few minutes. Let's get started. I already created the master prompt for you. You can download it for free from my Telegram. Copy the entire prompt. Next, open ChatGPT. Paste the master prompt. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a viral car modification idea, an image prompt, and an animation prompt. Now open Google Labs. Copy the image prompt from ChatGPT. Paste it into Google Labs. Generate your image. Once your image is ready, copy the animation prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Google Labs, generate your animation. Finally, open CapCut, import your animation, trim the clip if needed, export your final video. This was the final result. And that's just one example. You can create luxury cars, sports cars, supercars, classic cars, JDM cars, muscle cars, or almost any vehicle you can imagine. If you want more viral AI niches, free prompts, and the best AI tools, subscribe to Arter AI. All prompts are available for free in my Telegram. I'll see you in the next video.